Hey guys, it's me Ella. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you guys all about disposable cameras, why they're so fun and why you should totally get one. While I'm telling you everything about the disposable cameras, I'm going to be decorating my prints with these paint pen markers. They're really cool, and here's one picture that I've already decorated a little bit just to test out the markers, and I think it turned out really cute. I'm so excited to decorate even more of them and tell you guys all about disposable cameras. So if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. So this is my camera. It's just a Fujifilm camera. There's lots of brands of disposable cameras, but this one you'll find at a lot of places, and you can get it at like Amazon or Walmart for around $10 each. I got my photos developed at Walmart, but I know you can get them done at Walgreens and CVS and lots of other places, but Walmart was just really convenient, and it only took about 1 to 2 weeks for me to get my photos back, which was really nice. I love to bring my camera when I'm hanging out with friends because then I just get some really fun pictures, and when I get them developed, it's like I'm reliving those memories, which is always super fun. These are all my prints that I had from my other disposable camera that I got a little while ago. And some of them are good, and some of them are just not so good. Like this one, and that one. But then I have some cute ones of my friends. Most of my pictures are of my friends and not of me, because obviously I'm behind the camera. We just have some cute pictures, and sometimes they go wrong. You cut people's heads out. So you just have to know that not every single one of your pictures is going to turn out well, but some of them can turn out super cute, like some of these ones. I also forgot to mention that when you get your photos developed at Walmart, not sure about any other place, but I know at Walmart they give you a CD of all your photos that you took, so you can download a digital copy. And what's really nice about that is you can download the pictures onto your phone, and then you can post them onto Instagram. So if you really like to post pictures on Instagram, you can still post your film photos onto Instagram. So I've just picked out a few photos that I'm going to be decorating, and I'll just show you a few. So here's one of me, and then the rest are ones of my friends, and some of them I'm planning on giving to them as gifts later just because they're really cute. So I'm going to be decorating a few of these. I'm not sure if I'm going to get to all of them in the video, but yeah. These are the paint pens that I'm going to be using. They're the Posca paint pens, and I saw these on TikTok, which is what made me buy them and what made me even do this whole idea of decorating your photos, because I've seen people do it on TikTok and it looked so cute, and I love the way they turned out. And I also really liked how these paint pens looked, so I got some of these. And so now I'm going to be decorating the photos. Here is one that I just did as a test because I wanted to test out the markers, and I just drew these funny lines on the side, and I really liked how it looked. So I'm going to be doing lots of like doodles and random drawings onto all these photos. So the first photo that I'm going to be doing is this one, and since we're at the beach, I'm going to try and draw some beachy designs on it, like a sun and some clouds. And I think that would look really cute. So here's the paint pens. I don't really need to talk about these. Yeah, I just had a paint pen kind of splatter on me. There is paint on my legs now. So I'm drawing a sun and a wave, but I'm not done with the waves. And I think I'm gonna add a little bit more detail to the sun, but this is where I'm at right now. Okay, so I added some orange details and some details to these waves. They don't really look like waves, they kind of look like shark fins, but that's okay too. This is pretty cute, I guess, but I think I can do better on the next ones. One of the things that I really like about disposable cameras is that you have no clue what the pictures are going to turn out as. Yeah, sometimes I guess that's bad because some of them don't turn out good, but it's a really fun surprise when you get your photos developed and you've never seen these photos before, or you like remember taking them, and it's just a really good feeling. I really like that. So now I'm working on this picture of my friend, and I'm drawing this little alien space invader guy. I kind of messed up the shell, but it doesn't look too bad. I'm going to draw some eyeballs and add some stars to the background, and this is going to be super cute. Okay, this one is definitely my favorite, even though it's only the second one. Look at how cute this is. I drew a little aliens and I added all these stars in the background because there was pretty much nothing going on in the background, and I really liked how this one turned out. So it's now the next day and I have actually made a lot more pictures. So you already saw these 3, but I actually did a lot more after, so I'm gonna show you those real quick. This is the first one. I just colored in the background pink and I made it look like slime was dripping. This one I just drew a little smiley face in the corner. Now for these next 2, I wrote my friends' names on the side of the picture, kind of like bubble letters. And this one I drew a nice little camera in the corner, and this one is not too good. I just made some random squiggles in the background. So that is all the pictures that I decorated. I hope you guys liked this video about disposable cameras. Let me know if it was something that interests you and if you liked the video by giving it a thumbs up and commenting down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!